Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda CX7 Classic. Stock reference number 4656. The shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left-hand headlight, left indicator, bumper indicator. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a small crack in the lens. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right-hand tail light. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.